over here in Colorado, 70 west. West of Idaho Springs. GPS says we're still in Idaho Springs, but we are coming up to what tunnel is this? This be Eisenhower tunnel? I don't know. It's going up. Eisenhower tunnel. Yep, here we are. And we got a GoPro version of this going right now. Sized tunnel. Man, y'all supposed to be doing that big truck. I don't know if we've got reception all the way through here or not. It's showing that we do. I'm not gonna go around him like that other truck did. I don't think that's loud, actually. It might be, but big trucks ain't supposed to be passing in. Trucks use low gear. Well, it doesn't say anything about trucks not passing. I guess we probably can if we want to. We're not going to, though. Man, this is a long tunnel. Kind of reminds me of the abandoned. Those are long enough to where you can't see the other side, and you know, walking through them, you can't see the other side though. One side to the other, which this one you couldn't either. All right, the only reason I'm going around this, guys, is because we're empty. If I was loaded, I would not have done that. Since we're empty, though, our Jake brake will hold us, you know, exceptionally well. Was the Eisenhower tunnel. my brakes was working fine on both of these. Oh, look at that. What's halfway up? He lost his brakes. And jackknifed halfway up through there. Wow. That dude must have been flying to make it that far up through there. And jackknife at that point. That gravel from the rocks is what jackknifed him, but hopefully the GoPro got a good enough view of that to make it out. We'll see later tonight though when we get parked. I'll look this video and or the GoPro and see if we can actually make it out or not. Hopefully so. Alright, we're just about to the bottom of this one. Coming to a stop up here. Lost brakes, merge left, upgrade 1 mile. Moving at about 15 miles per hour. We are coming into Dillon, Colorado. How you doing, Harbor? Is that ice or is that rocks falling off the side right there? Something just, I think it's ice falling off the side of the mountain here. But I only see ice in one spot and it was past that, so it might have been rocks. That out. It's down there fly fishing right here in Dillon, Colorado. Pretty awesome. Guess this uphill's got us going fairly slow. will say it don't feel too bad cold out there, but yeah, it's pretty chilly. And we got, it's showing good reception, but it's broadcasting out on us quite a bit. Bitten by the buffer monster. We're doing a little bit of GoPro view though, so maybe you guys won't miss out too much. Just have to catch it later. Ripping out the guardrail is what they're doing. I guess they're replacing it. I think that's what they're doing. We are still in Dillon, Colorado. Man, I really hate that the live stream keeps buffering out like it's doing, but nothing I can do about it. See, if I'm not, yeah, I was gonna say, if I'm not mistaken, there's a nice lake over there. And it is way down compared to last time I seen it. I mean, way down. The name of the lake, you can leave it in the comments if you want to.